the only establishment in Jamaica playing youth female tournaments other than high school football. So we'll have to look at it now. Many might say that yes, Reinas won today. Yes, Reinas did win that title, but I think Jamaican female football won overall with a tournament like this.
All right, respect.
In terms of obviously for what you want to do going forward with the tournament, what is that you hope to achieve in terms of to make sure that you keep this momentum going, not just for the senior one, but have the pathway for the young girls?
Well, if you follow Reinas Academy, we have an under 15 tournament, an under 17 tournament. The Reinas Cup is our feature tournament, our under 20 tournament. So we are doing what we have to do. If I tell you where I want this to go, I'll probably get in trouble. But where we're heading is island-wide.
In terms of the match today, really felt that your team was, going into their groove. You didn't give them instructions. Did you feel that it kind of felt that they played a lot more free?
Yeah, they played fair today. They apart from the first game, we were nervous. We got used to the crowd. You must mention it. I'm not sure if you're at the final of another competition. No spectators were there. Look at the stands today. It was full because you get quality football at the Reinas Cup, and we showcase what we have to do.
No problem. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.